children, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? With the first lesson, the tattered blanket. All of you understood till now what I have taught? Reluctantly took the diploma course. Third answer is reluctantly. Understood? Fourth and fifth? D1. C first one, second one D. Third one, there is a cold mist in the morning. Snow. It's just like a ball of knotted yarn. Knotted, very round if it is tied. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. Give all that one has. Earn just enough money. C. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now the last part of this lesson, writing. Read the following paragraph taken from the story. Delhi is too expensive. Last time you all have submitted the homework, they wrote small d. Now write capital D. It is the name of a place. It is a noun. Understood? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. Who is telling this story? Gopi. Who is Gopi? The story which we have read, the son of the story. Amma's son who have come after a long time to see her in the village. Who is taking care of Amma? Kamala. Kamala is understood, right? I have to recap everything. Kamala is Gopi's sister. She is a widow. She takes care of her mother. Gopi came after a long time from his duty from Delhi. Gopi's wife's name is Vimla. I can't make both the ends meet with my salary. He is telling this to Kamala. And one has to keep up one's status. It will be great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of family property. I came to talk it over with you. Now write a short essay on how to keep up family ties despite economic pressures. You may use the above given hints. Now keeping these hints in mind, in the worksheets also I have written, you have to write a paragraph, a composition, a short essay, which already I think you have written in 6th and 7th. Now in this, according to the lesson it is. If you have understood the lesson, you have answered my question answers, homeworks. Why many of them are not giving homework? Send the homeworks properly, children. Okay? The first lesson will come to an end if you write this properly, this essay. It may come in the exam. Impact of first one, impact of economic pressure. Economic means money, financial. Lack of time to spend with the family. Third one, lack of love and affection. Fourth one, absence of human relationships. Now what do you understand from this one? This is Gopi's story, like what all happened in the first lesson, the tattered blanket. His mother told Gopi. Did she remember Gopi? No, she forgot due to old age, and he had come also from after 5 years, after a very long time. He's telling he's too busy. So now he had a meeting. He came in a car, in coat pant, very well, good, in a good manner, isn't it? Rich man, like a rich man. But his mother doesn't recognize him. He's so poor, isn't it? And why he came now also? Not to meet his mother. With one more task in his mind, that he would sell his shares, his property, his family property, which is his. He is not caring of his mother. He has forgot it. He says he is justifying himself, like he doesn't have time. He have to be on toes. He has 4 children to take care. Vimla, his wife, to take care. The lay is so expensive. Is this really genuine? No. It's his mother. He had to take care of it, not Kamala, his sister. Now these are the question answers of the lesson, which you all will be going through. All 6 question answers you have to write and submit me as homework, because I have explained you the lesson one by one, each bit. Okay? No one should leave any question. Teacher, I did not understand. All should send the homework today itself by 5. Okay? First question. Why didn't the mother recognize Gopi? How did he feel? Why do you think Gopi didn't get anything for his mother? Third one. The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? What does it suggest? What is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? Why didn't Gopi answer his sister's question? Do you remember your Amma? Okay, it's something personal questions. If you were Gopi's sister, how would you respond to his behavior? What would you reply to him? Okay, would you be happy or angry if you would be the mother, if you would be Gopi's sister? Understood, children? In this way, understand this and answer all the 6 questions with the both the grammar bits and the meanings. The answers are in the meanings. Thank you. Complete your work and submit it by 5 in the evening. Don't forget, all homeworks I want, 8th class, all class children. Okay? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.